Hi, this is Linda. Welcome to my channel, Linda's Mysteries. Today I'm introducing you to the Emperor, fourth of the Roman numbered cards. He is literally the embodiment of all masculine energy. This is the masculinity itself. It's not just a king you're looking at. This is the Emperor, somebody who is a king of kings. So you know what sort of energy, what sort of power this idea and archetype is seeking. Other than that, we also embody these strong parts of ourselves, of masculinity, in the structure, in the discipline, in knowing what it takes to get a goal done, and literally materializing our wishes into reality. He is the one who does that. This is that energy that you need if you have big dreams. Tap into it. And he would like to ask you an important question if you want to achieve your goals. Do you understand what it takes, what sort of discipline it takes to make your dreams into a reality? That's an important one. Create that into your life and you will get there. He knows it's possible. So I'm very curious to know if you have other questions about the Emperor or other tarot cards in the comments below. And until the next time, ciao!